All right. As you can see today, trucks on the trailer. We ain't talking. We about business today. Finally got this thing ready to go to the track. Getting it up and rolling. Got the whole gang with me. They coming out to show their support. We just got to get this thing strapped down, and we'll be all good to go. We're heading out to Musselman, which I said before is our home track. Try to get a good shakedown done. Is it still recording or no?
No, yes, but it's being stupid.
So was it recording?
It's still recording right now.
Okay, yeah, that.
Cut out bits and pieces.
All right, that's not a worry.
Like, now it's mine a lot.
But yeah, going to Musselman. Gonna make some things happen today. Got Shauna and Steven with me. Also got my baby with me today. It's gonna be good times. But yeah, just gonna get this thing strapped down and ready to go. we started having problems, and they kind of continued throughout the day. An injector came unplugged, the misfire, had a moment where the boost reference line came off, and it was literally one thing after another, but kept trying to send it and make it happen. See, guys, we're back from the track. We ran into some issues around it closer to the end of the day. Ended up not being able to slide the rest of the day, but came back here, figured out some issues. As you see earlier in the video, I did have a boost issue. My boost reference line fell off. I ended up spiking about 20 PSI of boost. It was fun, scary at the same time, but I ended up getting it fixed. Other than that, I ran into another misfire, and we couldn't figure it out while we were at the track. So now that we're home, I pulled the spark plugs, and part of the piece of the metal that hangs over the electrode has been washed away or melted away, however you want to call it. But hopefully it'll focus in so you guys can see it. But that's the normal one from cylinder 1. It looks fine. That's cylinder 2. You can see the edge is kind of melted away. But cylinder 3, I think, is actually the worst one. Where is it? Yeah. It's cylinder 3. It's basically in the center of the electrode now instead of hanging over. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know if my phone's picking it up or not, but she did good besides all the mishaps. But I mean, that comes with it. You're going to have issues when you go to the track here and there. Not all the time, but it happens. I got to get some new plugs and get her put back together. But I think she's going to be okay. Other than that, everything's pretty good. So, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.